Hi everyone! In this video we will discuss smart manufacturing, specifically how MQTT Sparkplug enables it. Stay tuned! So why smart manufacturing? Manufacturers need to adopt smart manufacturing practices to stay competitive in the market. They need a data infrastructure that seamlessly integrates modern tools and unlocks data siloed in legacy automation systems to enable smart manufacturing. The solution here is to use MQTT Sparkplug. Let us have a look at MQTT Sparkplug. MQTT Sparkplug is a specification that defines how to use MQTT to transport data in real time from industrial IoT devices and sensors to an MQTT broker. As per the requirements of a smart manufacturing data infrastructure, it allows for the seamless and reliable transmission of data from large numbers of devices and sensors, which is essential for enabling real-time monitoring and control of manufacturing processes. Now that you know about MQTT Sparkplug, let's explore the 11 ways it enables smart manufacturing. Number 1. Manufacturers can monitor and control processes, equipment, and products efficiently, as the data exchange between devices and systems happens in real time. As a result, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and increase product quality. Number 2. MQTT Sparkplug establishes a single source of truth for data from all siloed OT legacy equipment, enabling and defining it for IT. This supports collaboration and data sharing among different teams and departments, allowing manufacturers to use data across the organization better. Number 3. It removes the need to program custom scripts to integrate data. Instead, with Sparkplug, you can use tools on platforms to configure systems and devices through a graphical interface. This dramatically reduces the risk and lifecycle costs of adding custom software in the smart manufacturing ecosystem. Number 4. MQTT Sparkplug supports many connectivity options, including wired and wireless networks, allowing manufacturers to connect devices and systems across different locations and environments. Number 5. It supports scalable and reliable communication with built-in mechanisms for handling large volumes of data and ensuring that messages are delivered reliably. This allows manufacturers to support large and complex manufacturing environments without performance degradation or data loss. Number 6. MQTT Sparkplug supports robust security measures, including encryption, access controls, and user authentication, to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. Security and privacy risk is the most significant barrier to adopting smart manufacturing for most manufacturers. Number 7. It supports data tagging and metadata, allowing manufacturers to organize, filter, and search data more effectively. This increased data organization enhances data quality and supports advanced analytics and machine learning applications. Number 8. MQTT Sparkplug supports the integration of components by simply plugging them into a common data infrastructure through a single unified interface. This enables a loosely coupled system where elements can be added and removed without affecting how the overall system operates. Number 9. MQTT Sparkplug's report by exception ensures that data is pushed to the MQTT broker only when it detects changes in the monitored data item. This configuration allows data acquisition to be performed at the original resolution with time relevance so that it can be associated with specific events. Number 10. It contextualizes data by allowing you to add metadata to MQTT messages. This includes characteristics like the data's source, destination, type, and format. With this, applications can access the information correctly and use it in the appropriate context. Number 11. In MQTT Sparkplug, devices and applications publish special announced messages to the MQTT broker. Other devices and applications connected to the broker can then subscribe to these announcements and use the information they contain to automatically discover and communicate with other instruments and applications on the network. And there is a bonus: it's bandwidth efficiency. MQTT Sparkplug is a bandwidth-efficient protocol for industrial IoT applications. It uses a publish-subscribe messaging model, which allows devices and applications to send and receive messages without needing continuous dedicated connections. This setup conserves bandwidth, as devices and applications only need to establish connections when they have messages to send or receive. MQTT Sparkplug also uses binary encoding for its messages, which can be more efficient than text-based encoding schemes. Okay, we covered a lot. Let's summarize what we discussed. Overall, MQTT Sparkplug can help manufacturers transition to smart manufacturing by creating more connected, flexible, and responsive manufacturing environments, enabling them to respond to changing market conditions and customer demands more quickly and effectively. HiveMQ provides the MQTT broker platform required for any Sparkplug architecture. It is 100% compatible with MQTT, MQTT5, and Sparkplug 3.0 specification, and helps with easy integration with OT and IT systems with an extension SDK. If you are interested in implementing MQTT Sparkplug in your manufacturing setup, give HiveMQ a try. Watch the video linked here if you want to know what's new in Sparkplug 3.0. For more MQTT and Sparkplug content, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.